long, sleek nose and iconic dual-round headlights piercing the horizon. The 1959 Needlenose Peterbilt 351 Saint stands as one of the most recognizable and revered classic semi-trucks in American history. This truck wasn't just a machine, it was a statement of engineering precision and rugged style that helped define the golden era of long-haul trucking, powered by a range of heavy-duty diesel engines. Most notably, the Cummins NH series, the 351 Street could deliver between 250 and 350 horsepower, depending on configuration. Coupled with manual transmissions like the Fuller, this truck was built to endure cross-country freight routes with maximum driver control and mechanical reliability. Its lightweight aluminum cab construction, forward set, steer, axle, and customizable chassis made it a favorite among owner-operators and small fleets aiming for performance, style, and maintenance flexibility. What truly set the 351 Saint apart was its aerodynamic needle-nose hood, which not only looked futuristic for its time, but also offered easier visibility and access to the engine bay. When compared to other trucks of its era, like the Kenworth W900 or the Mack B61, the Peterbilt 351 Saint held its own with superior build quality and a more refined appearance. The Mack was famously tough and the Kenworth reliable, but the 351 offered a blend of strength, style, and customizability that helped Peterbilt cement its premium image. It became a trucker's truck, admired not just for performance, but for presence. The Peterbilt 351 was often customized with polished chrome grills, tall exhaust stacks, and hand-painted graphics, giving it a personality that few work trucks could match. Historically, the 351 Street played a significant role in shaping the image of American long-haul transportation during the post-war boom, and into the 1960s and 70s. It was a favorite for coast-to-coast hauls and made frequent appearances in movies, magazines, and trucker culture at large. Its success helped Peterbilt build a reputation for quality craftsmanship, attention to driver comfort, and a keen eye for style, all of which are still central to the brand's identity today. The truck's durability means that many examples are still running or proudly preserved, restored, and displayed at classic truck shows across the country. In terms of its future role, the 1959 Peterbilt 351 Saint has already crossed from practical workhorse to collector's icon. As trucking technology surges ahead with electrification, autonomy, and digital fleet management, the 351 remains a cherished symbol of analog trucking, a time when machines were raw, drivers were hands-on, and every mile told a story. In a world rushing toward automation and electrification, the Needlenose Peterbilt endures as a rolling piece of history, reminding us of the artistry, grit, and individuality that powered the open road for generations and still inspires gearheads and restorers today.